Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys if you're running out your token on your Google AI Studio. Here are some tips for you to rectify that problem. So first thing first, you can change your model. So if you are using Gemini Pro or whatever it is, you try to use another one like Gemini Flash, Flashlight, Flash Review, and so you just try. And then some cases that if you are change the model, you can use again your Google AI Studio, so you can develop more using another model. So that's the first solution. And the second solution, if you couldn't steal all the models, all the models not generating something for you, what you have to do, you can change. You should is this not another way? You should pay using the Gemini or Google AI Studio paid tier. So you just go to this gear icon and select an API key. And then there are two options, Gemini API, or you can use Google AI subscription. It will be give you more token while you develop on Google AI Studio. So for this one, you are using the fixed cost, and then use this one, you can use it by token, I mean by request. So I suggest you try to this one first, and then if this one still limited, you can go to this Gemini API and then continue with pay per request, and then you can select the API key that already registered as paid API key. So that's how the solution if you are running out your token on your Google AI Studio. So that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.